TFSA or RRSP. If you're Canadian and trying to save or invest, this one decision can make or break your financial future. Let's clear it up. In this video, I'll break down the difference between TFSA and RRSP, when to use each, and how to choose what's right for you. No fluff, no confusion. Just a smart decision made simple. Here's the deal. TFSA equals tax-free savings account. You put in after-tax money, it grows tax-free. You can pull it out anytime, tax-free. RRSP equals registered retirement savings plan. You put in pre-tax money, it lowers your taxable income now. But when you withdraw later, you get taxed. Think of TFSA as more flexible, less tax paperwork. RRSP is more like a long-term, tax-deferred retirement vault. Use a TFSA when you're just starting out and your income is low to moderate. You want access to your money before retirement. You're saving for a car, house, or emergency fund. You hate tax surprises. Bonus, you don't lose contribution room when you withdraw. Just wait until January 1st of the next year, and you get that space back. It's like a Swiss Army knife for savings and investing. RSPs shine when you're in a high income bracket now and expect to be in a lower one in retirement. You want a tax break today. You're saving strictly for retirement. You're using it for a first home via the home buyer's plan or education, lifelong learning plan. Think of it like a time machine. It saves you tax now, and you pay it back when you're hopefully earning less. Can you use both? Yes, and you probably should. Here's a simple strategy. Use TFSA for flexibility, short-term goals, and investing when your income is modest. Use RRSP for tax breaks when your income jumps, especially if you're earning over 50K or 60K plus. And if you get a tax refund from your RRSP, consider dumping it into your TFSA. That's the Canadian cheat code. Which one are you using right now? TFSA, RRSP, or both? Drop your answer in the comments. And if this helped, like and subscribe for more no BS Canadian money advice. Quick recap: TFSA equals flexible, tax-free growth, great for all-purpose saving. RRSP equals tax break now, taxed later, better for retirement or high earners. Use both if you can, but match the tool to your income and goals. TFSA versus RRSP isn't a battle, it's a strategy. Use them right, and you'll keep more of your money, both now and later.